Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams, and today I'm talking about how to use and make playlists for YouTube. And before I go on, I want to make sure that you guys know that this is my third channel. My main channel is Vocal Splendor Studios, and that channel has over 80,000 views. And this is my baby channel where I'm coaching people on how to be successful on YouTube. Okay, so let's get into it. And before we do that, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified of all of my uploads. Now, the thing about the playlists is the playlists are a great opportunity to increase watch time. So that's one of the goals on YouTube. We really want people to find your videos first, and then you want them to binge watch. And a great way to binge watch is putting your content into playlists. Now you can have as many playlists as you want. In fact, I have multiple playlists with different subject matter, like YouTube success strategies. That's a playlist on my channel. Setting up a YouTube channel, YouTube tips for beginners, SEO tips, YouTube algorithm tips. So you want to kind of brain drain some content, some containers. So the playlist is basically containers with all the videos that offer that content. And you can have lots of videos. So when I upload a video, I will put that video into a playlist. And it doesn't matter if it's on multiple playlists. You're just giving more content for people to find and hopefully binge watch. Now, the way YouTube works is that if you watch the video all the way through and then you watch another video, that helps with the click-through rate and the watch time. And watch time is one of those metrics that helps your channel to grow. So anything you can do to increase watch time is going to be really extremely profitable and help grow your channel. So it's something to consider, and it's easy. It's easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in through the screen share, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put in your own channels. So I'm going to go and help you go in and see just how easy it is to make a playlist. And then I'm going to go and show you how you can add playlists when you're uploading a video, because that's really important too. All right, so follow me that way. I think I finally figured it out. And then I'm going to go to Loom and show you how to do it. Okay, see you there. Okay, here we are at my dashboard. And so I'm going to show you, actually, first of all, I'm going to move to right here because this is where the menu bar is. And so you know, go to your YouTube studio, and what you're going to do is go into playlist right here. Here's the playlist one. And you can see all my playlists. I have growing a YouTube channel, starting a YouTube channel, YouTube success strategies, YouTube for business, lots of things. And so copyright, making money on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. So more channels you have, the better. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to make a new channel. Okay, so what we're going to do is right here. It's right here. I know YouTube is sometimes not very easy to, so I'm going to move my face back here. And so here is where you're going to find new playlists right here. So I'm going to make a pretend one. I'm going to make YouTube for beginners. I'm making a name. Again, you can have different kind of public or private. Sometimes I have private ones just for my own personal use. It's nothing to do with YouTube, or unlisted. So that's another option. Sometimes people who are in business don't want to have their channel on a popular. So some people in business want to keep a unlisted video because it's only for certain clients and stuff. But I'm going to put it on public. I'm going to say create. And then, okay, so there's nothing in there right now. So we're going to go in and click on it like that. There. There's nothing in there. So then what we're going to do is you can put a description in here. I'm not going to do that now, but you might want to say, oh, this is a YouTube for beginners, gives you all the foundations, get started. Just put some little press in there and I'm just going to press save. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get some videos. So let's go in and yeah, let me get in here. So add videos. Yep. So here's the thing about YouTube. You got to kind of click around. Things are hidden under the 3-dot menus. Yes. And so that's what's kind of confusing about YouTube, because if you don't know where things are, but they're hidden right here. So, and then there's playlist settings. You can delete playlists. So we're going to click add videos. And I'm just going to put some random videos. You can put your videos, or you actually can put videos from other people. Some people like to do that, but I think for what we're talking about is growing watch time hours, we want to use your own videos. So here's a bunch of them. Want to grow your channel, stop comparing. I'm going to put that in because that's something that a lot of YouTubers want or feel is like, oh, I'm not good enough. My channel's not good enough. So there, and I should show up there. So there's that one. And we're going to click again. We're going to look at videos, and let me find some other ones, your videos. So let's do some other ones. Okay, let's see. Are you uploading regularly on YouTube? I'm not going to put my shorts in there because this doesn't really want to work. Okay, here's one that would be helpful. Why your YouTube isn't growing, do this instead. So I'm going to put that in there. Okay, and let's go, I can keep going, but let's just do one more. I'm just gonna find something else again. So you just gotta look through those ideas, and then we're gonna go here. I'm gonna scroll down a bit more. Yeah, some of these are more advanced things, so this is kind of perfect for new beginners. Let's see, okay. Yeah, because some of these are more advanced concepts. So I'm going to do this one too, and I'll go back and put more in, but here's another one, getting on camera on YouTube when you aren't feeling it, because that's another thing that a beginner's like, oh, I just don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I'm going to wait till later. And then you're not uploading regularly, because that's a real key. And yeah, there's more. I think I'll put the camera confidence also. So I'm going to add that one. See, so now the channel is growing. Yep, there it is. And I think I'll do one more. Okay, so let's go one more. I think I could put a lot of these videos in here, your videos, and let's just scroll down. And now I'm going to put in, where it is, camera confidence, because that's another one that's kind of important to just getting started. People just getting started, add video. Okay. All right, so there is my new channel, YouTube for Beginners. And so we're going to get out of that right now. I'm going to go back to, not the home page. Yeah, library. Let's go back here. I might have to click back and back and back. Okay, now I'm going to go back here. It kind of bumped me out of the YouTube studio. All right, so here we are back at the YouTube studio. So now I'm going to show you what you can do. There's different things you can do with the channel. Now, the first thing is that, I'm going to move my head, is that you can feature your playlists on your channel page. And I recommend that you do that because, again, we want everybody to binge watch. So I'm going to go into my channel page and where we say customization right here. Customization, we're going to go there. And here it is. This is the layout. And so right here is all the featured sections. You can put different channels. So I have popular uploads. That's just kind of random for YouTube, but you can put single playlists. I have YouTube analytics, shorts, Canva tutorials, customizing your channel. So I'm going to add the playlist that I just made to my channel. So when people go to my channel page, they see all these playlists. And that's really key because you want people to binge watch your channel. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click right here, add section. Okay, and then I'm going to put right here single playlist. And then, hey, there it is right on top, YouTube for beginners. And I'm going to put it somewhere else, see where it shows up. Okay, it's at the bottom, that's fine. And then I'm going to put publish. And it just gives people more options to see your channel. And we could go look at the channel. Let's go look at the channel right here. Yep, there you go. And then you're going to see that playlist all the way at the bottom. And I can move it around. If I want to put it up higher, I can. So that's how that works. Now I want to show you some other ways that we can use the playlists. Okay, so we're going to go back to YouTube Studio right here. And then what you can do is you can go into a video. We're going to go into the content. And this is the other way we can use the playlists. And what you can do is go in here. We're going to edit it. You can always go back and edit. And then you're going to scroll down right here to the playlists. Now, I think this one will already show the new one. Yeah. So since I already added it, it's already going to show up. But when you make a new video and you upload, you want to make sure you put in all the playlists that you think that video is applicable with. Okay. Now there's one other thing you can do with the playlists, and that is the end screen. Now, end screen will show up at the end of the video, and it will actually suggest subscriptions or suggest a video or suggest a playlist. So I usually like to put a playlist in, again, because I want people to be continually to watch my videos. So we're going to click the end screen right there. Yeah. So there's the end screen. And this one, so I like to have this option, like here's the subscribe, video best for viewer, and YouTube will determine that. But then I like to put in actually a playlist. So I'm actually going to change this. I'm going to put this now, and I'm going to find that new one right here. Click that. Okay, so then that's going to show YouTube for beginners. Yeah, I had to move the head and click save. And so now that's going to show up at the very end of the video. And then so hopefully people will continue to watch. All right. So that's how you use playlists. It's really pretty easy. But again, it's all about getting that watch time to go up, and we want people to binge watch. So go ahead and meet me back this way, and I'll talk to you a little bit later. All right. See you there. All right, so I hope you could see just how easy it is to create YouTube playlists and how to integrate them into your channel to increase watch time. So it's so easy. So let me know if this was helpful. You can actually contact me anytime with any video and let me know what other video things you would like me to talk about, because I've been on YouTube for over 12 years. Yeah. Seriously. And so I love to help people grow their channels and just kind of explode some of the myths about how to be successful on YouTube. All right. So also I want to let you know I have a free Facebook group also called YouTube Success Strategies, of course. And I'd love to see you there because I do some coaching on there. Sometimes I will do some free challenges and train, and I also have lots of discussions as well. So hope to see you there, and you can find that link in the description, and I hope to see you later. Take care. Bye.